Is there anything better than the sound of kids playing, running through the gardens and under the trellis without a care in the world? I know I love a quiet morning with a warm cup of coffee while enjoying these breathtaking views. Updated Bungalow has so much to offer, starting with location. It is truly in the heart of the county. Ideally located minutes to Picton and Bloomfield and en route to Belleville, where most parents find themselves multiple times a week for various programs and sports. This sprawling bungalow has been updated extensively and provides two key things: options and potential. Currently, the home is set up as a multiple dwelling unit that can be split based on the owner-tenant needs. The main floor provides over 1,600 square feet, 2 kitchens, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and main floor laundry. The property is turnkey and boasts many recent renovations that provide both a modern aesthetic appeal and peace of mind. Metal roof, propane generator, furnace, air conditioning, and more ensure the home is solid for years to come, while the on-trend neutral color palette, luxury vinyl floors, new bathrooms, appliances, and lighting are a welcome breath of fresh air with an income-producing property. The lower level provides additional untapped potential. Partially finished and awaiting your personal design touches, this space just adds to the allure of this property. The jewel of this property lies in the backyard. An expansive deck runs the entire length of the home and provides the perfect spot to entertain and gather with friends, or just relax and take in the views. If you've been feeling cramped and wondering if country living might be for you while still being close to everything, this could be the home for you. Come check it out, fall in love, and you too can call the county home.